money speaks and nonsense walks. No struggle, money over here. Value in my hands, wisdom in my heart. Let's go. No struggle, money. I don't chase it, I carry it. No struggle, money. I build value and honor it. Money follows value, wealth follows discipline. Purpose needs a system, so I step into winning. No struggle, money. I don't beg it, I align. Grace is the master class, and time multiplies mine. Yeah, I grew up where money was the problem, always prison hard to solve. Hard to get and hard to keep, while dreams stayed waiting to evolve. Some people loved it, some people feared it, some praised it, some blamed it. They said, more money, more problems, but today I reframe it. Money is a lesson, money is a tool. Money is a mirror when I move without a rule. Money is a medium exchange set in motion. When I treat it with wisdom, it flows like an ocean. I don't plan from my pocket, I plan from my purpose. Drifting with circumstances can no longer serve us. I don't spend from panic, I don't say from fear. I build with intention, clear. No struggle, money. I don't chase it, I carry it. No struggle, money. I build value and honor it. Money follows value, wealth follows discipline. Purpose needs a system, so I step into winning. No struggle, money. I don't beg it, I align. Grace is the master class, and time multiplies mine. Dance with the wisdom, move with the plan. Shake off scarcity, I know who I am. Step into value, turn into grace. Discipline looks beautiful when it shows on your face. No struggle, no struggle, no struggle. Money, no begging, no chasing. I attract it, honey. No struggle, money, no struggle. Money's not bigger than spirit, not bigger than family, not bigger than purpose, not bigger than clarity. But how I think about money shapes what I see. What I believe in my mind starts living through me. If I treat it careless, it runs like the wind. If I treat it wisely, it can grow again. Budget is rhythm, saving is base. Investing is timing, wealth is the grace. Failure is tuition, I pay for the class. Lessons in the losses, now my future's built to last. I don't plan from my pocket, I plan from my power. I plan better seed, then I wait for the hour. I don't worship money, I don't fear it either. I steward the blessing like a true believer. No struggle, money. I don't chase it, I carry it. No struggle, money. I build value and honor it. Money follows value, wealth follows discipline. Purpose needs a system, so I step into winning. No struggle, money. I don't beg it, I align. Grace is the master class, and time multiplies mine. I am becoming the woman who can carry it. Not just touch it, not just flash it, not just hurry it. I am becoming the woman who can steward it, build it, bless it, grow it, move it. No struggle, money, no panic plan. No empty pocket controlling my hand. Money speaks, yes, but wisdom leads. Wealth is fruit from discipline seeds. Left foot value, right foot grace. Turn around twice, put wealth in place. Hands on purpose, mind clear. Shake off like leaf, fear over there. Move for the budget, dance for the dream. Blow like abundance, rich of esteem. Money follows value, wealth follows discipline. Purpose needs a system. Grace is the master class. No struggle, money. I don't chase it, I carry it. No struggle, money. No struggle, money. I build value and honor it. Money follows value, wealth follows discipline. Purpose needs a system, so I step into winning it. Failure is tuition, time is the multiplier. Grace is the master class, my vision's getting higher. No struggle, money. I don't beg it, I align. I am becoming the woman who can carry what is mine. Money speaks and nonsense walks. No struggle, money, no chasing money. Fire in my hands, wisdom in my heart. grace on my life and purpose in charge.